Hello everyone, I'm Ming Liang from Apis Robotics. We are focusing on multi-robot system. And this is an introduction to our current project, conveyor spillage cleaning system for the mining industry. Mining takes up the largest part in Australian industry, contributing around 15% of the overall industry output. And in the mines, conveyor belts are commonly used for material transportation. But unfortunately, it's inevitable to have spillage under the conveyor belts, which will be damaged and cause system shutdown once the spillage accumulates to a certain height. Currently, there are 3 methods to clean the spillage: manually clean, using manned vehicles, and using remote controlled robots. All these methods have human cleaners involved, and through TRAM Track, we have found that these cleaners often suffer from long working hours in high temperature, high humidity, and extremely dusty environment, which puts a threat to their safety and health. Besides, the current methods are also unreliable. That's because human cleaners may have operation errors and decrease in performance after heavy work. Thirdly, high labor cost is another issue. By our estimation, the Australian mining industry spends around 100 million a year just on the salary for the cleaners. So to solve these pain points, we propose our multi-robot system, which is fully automatic. This system is composed of multiple types of robots taking different roles in the cleaning task. This kind of setup allows us to have simple individual robots, meanwhile delivering overall optimal cleaning performance. All the problems with the current methods can be eliminated by our system. That's because our system does not rely on any human cleaners, and all the movements of the robots are programmed to optimize the cleaning performance. Further, our system only costs as much as 30% of the labor cost of current solutions. In the past 2 years, we collaborated with the conveyor manufacturer and built 2 prototypes to prove the concept. Now, thanks to TRAM Track, we have gained full understanding of the problem and where we can fit in solving them. Next, we plan to finish our first robot fleet by the end of next year and start conducting field tests in the real mines. If you are interested in joining us or collaborating with us in the future, we are more than happy to have a further conversation with you. Thank you.